Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you how to navigate to points of interest. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to navigation. Enter menu and go to set destination, select points of interest and select by name, near car or more. Select by name. For example, petrol station, add, start guidance.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.